Hi guys, welcome back. So we're going to make Nsala soup my own way. So we have goat meat, stockfish and chicken in the pot, and we're going to add in our pepper mix, yellow pepper, red pepper, crayfish and a little bit of onion. So we'll put that in and let it simmer for a little bit. We add in our dry fish as well. I'm going to add the twist to this soup. This is Utazi, the liquid from Utazi leaf. We're going to add that into the soup, and that's the leaf as well. We'll add that to give it a bit more flavor. This is uziza leaf too, uziza leaf, and then you let that boil for a while. While that is boiling, you can taste for seasoning, add more or less, and add more pepper. You add in your dry fish and a little bit of palm oil into the soup so it doesn't turn black because of the Utazi liquid and the leaf. You know it will turn it black. We're not making black soup, we're making Nsala soup. I don't add Ogiri to my Nsala soup. I was not taught that way. So you add a bit of thickener. You can add yam flour or pounded yam, anyone that suits you really, and you add to the consistency you want. If you want it very thick, if you don't want it very thick, I don't like it too thick. So you let that boil for a little bit and your soup is ready. Bye.